Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are talking about my new baking area because I've just recently moved. You may have noticed that my environment has changed a little bit since the last couple of videos, so I wanted to show you what it looks like now. So let's get started.
First of all, this is a built-in shelf in our new apartment, and it's the perfect size to hold nearly all of my equipment. I have my camera, some matching mixing bowls of various sizes, a couple turntables, rolling pins, vegan American buttercream, which we'll keep for several weeks on the shelf, some piping tips, food coloring, alcohol, circle cutters. This set is actually my favorite alphabet. A paint palette and some paintbrushes, Tylo powder, colored candy melts, ice cream cones. The blue container has some pre-made decorations I rarely use, the kind you can buy from the store like ladybugs and unicorns. The next shelf has my sprinkle collection, as well as some decorative sugar and some colored sanding sugar. A couple of cake dummies. The boxes at the top have cookie cutters in them. I found this is the best way to store them. Moving down a few levels, here I have some blankets. I actually use these to hang behind the cakes to use as backdrops. It's nice because if I get buttercream on them, which I do sometimes, I can just wash them and keep using them. Some cookbooks, baking books, recipe books, some cake boards and cake boxes, and the tub contains all my fondant. Then I have this black drawer set. It has the tools I use for cake decorating, like a knife, spatulas, small rolling pins, modeling tools, also some silicone press molds for alphabets and other small decorations, then some more silicone forms and some small plunger cutters, and some more alphabets. Since I've moved the cookie cutters to the top, the bottom drawers are empty at the moment. So this is the setup I've made, but I can't decorate here. This is just where I keep all my baking stuff. So directly opposite this shelf, I have a table set up with a surge protector so I can plug in all my equipment. I love that we're right next to the balcony, so we have lots of natural light. I won't show you the balcony right now because we've just moved, and at the moment that's where we're storing the empty boxes. So this is where I'll actually decorate the cakes. You can see I have my silicone mat hanging out there. In case you're wondering about the cords, this is also my computer table. The computers are stored below when I'm not using them. The monitor is harder to move so it can stay, but it shouldn't get in my way when baking. I will set up my camera either at the back of the table or on the side next to the curtain so you can see what I'm doing. And I have these hooks behind the table so when I'm done with the cake, I can hang one of the blankets and it will cover my electronics and provide a lovely background for my cakes when I'm photographing them. I'm really excited to have such a great setup for baking, and I think this will make me even more efficient. If you're wondering about the rags, I actually always bake with 2 rags next to my area, one damp and one dry, so I can quickly clean up after myself and then dry off the space so I can still use it right away to roll out fondant, things like that. So welcome to my new baking area, and I hope to see you here often.